Awesome. So that is for good though. So that is for good though. So it's not for people. If you want to go into gold, okay, let me not waste this account. Okay, we should have it's fine. If it doesn't, fine. If it goes, that's good. That's for good. It's not for name. Actually, that's a candidate advice actually. Because you say, why now? I can easily make $1,000 dollars, $1 million dollars on gold fast. I know, yes, I know. But a candid advice is not advisable for me. A candid advice, you want to be candid advice, not advisable for me. It's not advisable for me. Candid advice. I was selling gold then, USD, JPY. USDJPY, we give him money. Gold will come out of my hand. I will not make money with USDJPY. Gold will come out. I know this right. You know, I said gold. I don't win in gold too. Sometimes I will win in gold too. Sometimes massively, I go happy, don't double everything. You know, sometimes if you come against me, the way they will give you win, now the same way they take come over your hand. Yeah, they be like, "Who go chop?" As the way they go chop, and the way they also they go broke. So the way you go chop, I hope I don't chop. We don't collect money. They come if they broke like this. If they collect 10 naira from you, I beg you for 15 naira. Pablo, they beg 15. I'll say, me, bro. Pablo, they beg you 1K, 2K. Hello, Pablo. That's it. So that's good for you too. The more you take them high, that's it, you take them down. So for me, I don't advise even to trade. But now, master everything that you need to master. Except you want to play around with your money. Let's play around this money. Win and win. It's a win. It's nothing to win. Something I can lose. It's fine. You can go and something that you don't want to lose, something that's so particular to peculiar to you, it shouldn't be tampered with you. It shouldn't be. Just face normal pair. They can give you what you need. You can easily predict what you want. You see that in the market as playing out. Even though it's not playing out, you can easily close your stocks and still have capital left or something like that. Or even though which the losses was too much, still be left something like gold. Can wipe you off. And most brokers they're easily they're strong with gold. It's not like this. They clear your account because of what gold is mighty. That's what I see. What is mighty? Mighty, and when it's more margin loss, they clear account off. Unlike normal peers. So they are new broke, it's just still normal peer. Like normal peer can go against you. The amount of pips normal peers will go against you. It will be higher than gold. The job is just small. Go they close your account. But still have what? It's cool. No, it's not because gold is metal and then splash with it. I don't know. Just cool. Just cool. So that is for good. I hope we left. Yeah, still have $1 left, or all is turned to $0. How many dollars left for you? How many dollars was left for you?
From the $100, for my own $100, nothing. Blown, capital, blown, everything blown.
He took it on a loan.
Nakam better. He even sell his cryptocurrency. Nakam.
No. That's why see that experience now will shaping the mind of that guy. And you see for his
sir, you know some falls are always sad.
You see for
I actually need to like that yesterday as a example like this. I actually need to like take him out, went to a tree, take him out to watch ball.
That's it.
Because I know that what happens to him is a strong thing.
It's so something. He goes
so until around 10 o'clock yesterday, they allow him to go like a ball tonight.
So
because he'll be thinking
yes, happy now. Yes, if you had money, you would have gone and be selling crypto. Raise the money from
He even wanted to sell one coin for me like that. I was like, wait, after this trade, I'll buy it. Because I know anything can go wrong. But he was like, right now, hold on, let's trade this first.
That is it. That's my
wow.
So you guys mind, in you guys face, you'll be on the other side that I know now. At least one will go again, one will go in the paper now. At least go win. So that decision in the place will be like a right decision. It will be like a smart move. I swear to God. I've been there. I was seeing like a smart move that for a year I pass this problem. I will pass it for myself, but I'm not positioning myself, so I'm not stuck.
Sir, what profile do you use, sir? What profile do you use?
I use this profile, funded next.
Funded
next. I use funded people.
Maybe you said.
I use different. Okay, I'll send it. I use different.
Okay. So I'm not ready right now, but I think I'll be ready in the future.
It's okay. That's good. It is right. So that's just it about gold. If it were to be normal pair, we guys should have this. You will see it that they are wrong. Go see that, and then from there, you have something to create. That thing with shaping his mindset, see what is calm.
Just 2.5.
That's it. Because of what no knowledge is killing by all of us. I have to know before everybody, because it's about adequate knowledge and experience. Sometimes the market, I just go to the market, I don't even need to analyze. Also, like, I just look at the chart. Oh, I've seen this thing before. I've seen this pattern before, and it buys.
Yeah, I'm starting to see something. I'm starting to see something on. Are you there, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm starting to notice something on my peer. Yeah, like anytime the peer do maybe like a change of pattern, M&W on a strong side level, action side level, it's always respect it all day. I've checked it out to the back, but the only issue is that you have to wait for the setup. It can be long. It can be long before you see that setup, but it will respect it all day.
That's it. What is about studying the past? So you can't be the present now. You don't even have the past to study, and you want to win. Do you get? Do you understand? For example,
yes, sir. Yes.
Someone that doesn't have, it's not like you're meant to come and drive. You never drive it. You never drove a car before. Do you have experience of driving at all? I'm paying for you to start. You just start. You go use turtle for brake. You go use brake for turtle. Because you don't have experience. You don't have been taught. You have not been taught. So it's about what those experiences you past you've seen. That you see yourself again. It's about study of the past. And oftentimes it is known, it is research that history repeats itself again, no matter what you want to tell me. History keeps repeating itself over and over again, and that's it in the market. The A repeats itself every fucking time. It repeats itself almost all the time. It keeps repeating itself. It might be 2-3 weeks, might be 1 month. It will do it. That's all right. I just see. I just go to the market and just see the pattern. Oh, I see the pattern before. I've seen this pattern before. It buys, and then I won't have to analyze much for that. I'll just buy and you catch them. See what will happen to me. What experience? Can you see? That's why you see some experts. But they are buy. But this, I'm not saying anything. I just know this thing. What history, experience. I just taught them.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you. Experience has taught them.
Your network is breaking a bit.
Oh, sorry, that's network. Experience has taught them. Experience has taught them. What you are you there, sir? Back. Are you there?
It's still doing the same thing, sir.
Hello? Now, Uncle. I can see my network. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's better now.
Coming up.
It's better.
So, experience is the best teacher.
Yes, sir.
That's why you see that people 2-3 years, after 2-3 years, 4 years, and so people go find the lift up. Honestly, they buy G-Wagon. They buy that, now the thing. Can you hear me, sir? And the thing,
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can hear you.
So it's more like so that's why people always see it as what a course. Like as if you go to school to go and learn doctor. Because in one day, but people want to make that money in one day, you want to make that experience, everything in one day, or you want what you want. No, now. That's how people will simulate it with what? With your year of course. As if you're going to study medicine, to study law. But experience over time, everything accumulated over time will shape you and will help you to grow more and more. Your network, oh, hey.
Yeah, it's better now. It's better.
So those experiences will shape you more and more, help you to learn more and more. And it will reduce your learning curve. The more your learning curve gets reducing, the more profit you'll be making. That's the secret. But people don't understand that thing. Because of what you win today, think you win tomorrow. Now luck, and the luck is always there. Because of what is a two option of a thing. Is that he's buying or he's selling. So the luck will always be there. That you buy today, you sell. You sell tomorrow, you win. You know Sammy? Cross, you know Sammy. And I will say, that's why I will tell you that profitable traders are what? Are consistent traders to profit making. That's what we call profit traders. I repeat myself. Let me say it again. What makes you a profitable trader is what we are consistent in making profit. And what keeps you to be consistent is what? You have learned the rudiments. You have learned the rhythm. You have learned the patterns. You have learned the secret. You have learned some of those things that keep repeating itself over and over time, and the shapes it keeps occurring, and the decision to make on each of those decisions at that time. That's what's making it to be. Nothing advanced. So price what takes time. So when is telling you that price what this and this, you will learn it. Does not say you not learn it in 2 weeks, in 3 months. You're the profitability, the continuous this thing, you take time to grow you. You can't see people that are buying Lamborghini and they start last month. Now I've been here 4 years, you have 5 years. Really? More like a course. So 4 years, more like 4 years. So in investing, it's also because what the risk it's led over the years. That's what imagine now what you guys just did now. I've done it in the past. Can you see now? Can you see the step you just took? It may be like the mice I took. I just stepped into that mice yesterday. Can you see now? Can you see what I'm talking about? Can you see practicality? So practical. Other mice I have walked into other mice. Can you see crazy? Can you see the practicality? So practical. Can you see it? So someone else was to come and jump into this thing you guys did. I bet you. I bet you, sir. But you always think you're smart. You only want to be what is about this thing? Okay, this is coming. NFP and NFP is always moving. Always give momentum. And it goes up or it goes down. Now money go choose. Oh yeah, let me position myself to the 2 ways. About it, I thought I was smart. I thought I was wise. Someone is still coming, come and mentor us and still do the same thing. He wants to step into that mind and work from that mind and tell you that is how. So you can't boycott all these stuffs. You can't. Can you see the journey now? How the journey is going? Can you see? So this for us is a journey thing. Can you see, sir? You see, journey thing. Can you see? So that's about you want to tell you that it's not something what you really know. What is helping so people that are making profit now, buying cars and what over the years they have learned over time, over the years. Learn from their mistakes, learn from their errors. See this thing error now. Say go down tomorrow again.
Never.
You will never. But some who have not gone into this mice, who have not taken this assignment, will try it and thought it could work for him. However, it could even work for him the first time. And also, he will try it and it did. Bam! They help for him. And that's it. So just about one thing that drives that is key in this thing is please let not your courage diminish. Let not your passion vary. And let not your motivation waste up or waste away. That 3 things will help you. That's what will journey you into the lands of forest. That is what will journey into the land of forest. There's a land that's called land of forest. Where you just put money anyhow. It's called the land of forest. Or you put money anyhow. If you're not discouraged, if your passion is not being reduced or washed up, and your motivation is not being very, then this status will definitely land you. Will land you in the money of forest. That's what the things that people lose and they're just worried about. That's it. Those things will weigh you up. Because when you lose today, lose tomorrow, the courage will be there. You lose courage, where you are. Passion will be lost. The motivation will disappear. That is. But if those three things are still in touch, my dear sir, keep it going. Let all those things into them. Now, so I told you those guys. You hear I'm 34 for 5 years. I became profitable in the fourth year. Not say they don't make money in that second year, 2 year, 3 year. They are not that thing, what is called the landing. Not a small thing. The landing. Also, that landing, that's the cocoa. That's the cocoa. And also, it doesn't have to do with the number of years old, but the number of learning, how fast you have, and the exposures, experience, everything. Now that you guys have experienced this one now, it has also added to your mind's journey. So other experience that you will come alongside with it. That's what will help. That's what will help. So that is all I'm now routine. Oh, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. I've done it before. I'm learning tea. I was learning tea that time. I'm still learning tea. It is well. So that's it, guys. That's it. So I hope we learned something today.
Yes, sir.
That is it. So it will take time, and then it will take experience. And about not just nice and all. Take those resilience, persistence, and that is in place, of course. The end result is like this. So that's for that. Any other question?
No, sir.
So that's why people always advise. Maybe just stick with any period that is normal. I can get because of that. No, good. That's good. Let's check something. Let's use so that's for that, guys. I want to say something, guys. If you're watching this over on YouTube, always endeavor to subscribe to this channel because you will learn a lot. We dish out raw, practical things that will help you in this very important. If you're not subscribing to this channel, just watching, you're missing a lot. I bet you're missing a lot. Right now, I will urge you guys to do this subscription, smash on it right now. Do that right now. And of course, drop me in the comments and drop me your questions. And of course, our team will be willing to get into answer you. Of course, if you want to join our community, you can check around this description. Come and join us, of course. So let's get into this one. That, by the way, I hope you learned something. Well, this way. Okay, I learned something. Let me teach you on that. Why those markets are doing something? Let me teach you on that. Good. Now, let me teach you on that. This was the result of yesterday, right?
Yes, sir.
That the question has moved on to fundamentals. We have to talk about fundamentals. Now, good. I taught you something about. Look at it this now. Employment change, unemployment rate, average. This is NFP. It's called non-farm payroll, non-farm employment change, and then average hourly earnings, and then unemployment rate. Out of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is there anyone that has no with what I taught you? Is there anyone of this name that is not strong? But what I taught you then, sir. Is there anyone?
NFP is the only strong one there, sir.
Is what?
It's the only strong one there, sir.
So unemployment rate is not strong.
It's not that strong.
Not as strong.
Yes, sir.
Go and check your nose, sir. You are wrong. Go and check your nose, sir. Go and check your nose, sir. Go and check your nose. Everything is strong.
FOMC, CPI, and NFT.
Everything has strong. I told you that you know, sir. I told that time now, even though these are cards there, I told you USD. Even though those ones that they are not strong itself, I told you that a time will come that they will just change and move the market. I told you. Did you forget? Have you forgotten? Hi.
I can see it now, sir.
Have you forgotten? Can't check your notes, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
I taught these things in a beginner's class. I taught you. I can remember very well, vividly. For me, I can recall very well. Because I told you. Sorry, excuse me.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I'm back.
Okay, sir.
So I told you that time that even there are some high impact. See now, see, legend, high impact, medium impact, low impact, non-economic. This was on the, I think, Wednesday, US was celebrating their independence. That was on 3rd of July. That's the US independence. US, they gained independence on 17th, 19, 17, how did I call itself? Yeah, it's 1990. 1776. That's when US gained their independence. I learned that in school as a government student. UN gained independence in what? 1776. That's when they gained their independence. So they were celebrating their independence on the 3rd of July. That was on Wednesday. That was why USDJPY was on holiday. This was July. I think July 4 rather. But on over there, it's like 3rd or so. Our own end is like 4. I think it's always July 3rd. You know, I can't give out over there. Hello, sir.
What did you say, sir? Yes, sir.
Okay,
Hello.
it's 4. Yeah, it's not big, it's 4. Remember.
Okay.
So it's 4. They were telling their independence. That's why they had bank holiday. So and I told guys then, and it happens. It never moved. I also note something there too. Twice now, I've studied that thing now. Twice, I've studied it now. I'll tell you when I'm done. Remind about that. We'll come back to US holiday. I want to say something about that. Mind me. Maybe today will push us to fundamental. Okay, let's go. So I told you these things, sir. Unemployment, when you say unemployment in the country, it's high impact. And the unemployment rate is crazy. It's not causing a great impact on our economy. It is. Average hourly earn of monthly individual from everybody. How much people they earn for money? Everybody not have purchasing power. Everything is cost in the market. It's high impact. It will affect. Not from payroll. All the employment rate changes affect. It will affect. All these things, they are high impact. It will affect. I told you. Can't take a note, sir. Those things I said they are not high impact. Can't take a note again. List them out for me. And I told you all those things. Open your notes, sir, and check and read them out. I'll come and say, tell you the unemployment rate is not. You also look at it with the economy of the country and unemployment rate. How? No. Call them out, sir. Those things I told you, they're like 5 or 6 that I said they're not that, they don't move again. After then, I came back, I said, tell you that. After then, I studied further again, and I saw that even though some of them could move the market at any fucking time, despite the fact that they don't, at any fucking time, they might also just move, just push through. What are those things, sir? Tell me. They're up to like 5 or 6, I told you.
MOC, FMOC.
What's the full name? I don't understand. What's the full name?
Is the name of the news? I don't know the full meaning.
Is it
FMOC.
PMI? Is it PMI? What do you mean?
No.
No, PMI, no, not
Call the full name, sir.
FMOC.
Call the full name because the full don't call me the acronyms. The full names, I'll be able to know what you're saying.
Okay, sir. Hold on, sir. Let me check my notes. Federal Open Market Committee.
Federal
Open Market Committee.
Open Market Committee.
Yes, sir.
I'm not sure about that one. I'm not sure about that one. I'm not sure I thought about that one. Federal Open Market Committee.
CPI.
Come on, CPI move market now. Just the move market now. You're missing. You're missing this together. CPI.
No, I'm talking about news that can move the market though.
How you be calling me? Federal okay, no move market. I said those that doesn't move. Tell me those that doesn't move. Tell me.
Okay. PMI. Customer sentiment. Hope sale. Retail sale.
That's it. I told you. And I also give an exceptional rules to that. That aside from that, over the time I've studied this high impact with all those names, I wait for them to move and they never move market. I said that I said it also exceptionally that this market is crazy. I told you that forex market is not 99% certain with every rules. Each of those rules have what they have their own exceptional. Anything can happen in the market. You could say, okay, sentimental, this thing doesn't move, and then the manipulators come and pump in their stuff. Bam, it moves. Something that happened. So I can tell you that exceptionally that even though on the regular, those stuffs doesn't really move the market. Just come out there, you won't see any effects. At times, you might just see push, a 20% or 30 pips or 40 pips, push, move, and then to stop there. Did I also say that or not? Hello, sir.
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
So did I state that or not?
Yeah, you actually did that, sir.
So why are you not telling me that unemployment is not it's market for me? Come on, no. Kai. It should be your head. Bam, bam. You shouldn't be forgetting them. No, at all. It should be your head. Like you should see that you are not on the market. Without looking at your notes. The way you're telling me now, I didn't look anything. You're just telling me. I know just knew. Then you said sentimental. I knew. Then you said this one. I knew. I didn't look at any notes. I didn't have anything here. Besides, the month we did that, was in month of March, if I'm not mistaken, or April, and this is month of July, and we can't even see that here. But I knew. So you should know them by heart. You should know them by heart. So go. I'm giving you that statement now, sir. If there's anyone around this for that, include them and study them. Those that won't back there are about like 8 that I told you. And we did the analysis, we did the experiment from different.
Yes,
so if there's not anyone around them, include those ones down there. If any one of this is not there, include them now, sir. Include them. One of this is not, include them. What is that move the market? They will surely move and give you momentum.
Okay,
what is called momentum?
Okay, sir. I'll do my assignment, Tony, sir.
Yes, sir. Do very well. So your question has been to fundamental. I want some things to be clear. Good. You don't want fundamental?
I don't want fundamental for now, sir. Yeah. I use fundamental to like.
You want to skip all of this? What I want to say about this? You want to skip it?
Not that I want to skip, but we'll come back to it later. Because I don't like trading news again. I'm done with news.
You also help with the technical. I like it or not. Let's flash it. But I'm not remember again. Let's flash it. I'm not even remember again.
Okay.
Sometimes it happens when you ask your teacher a question, your lecturer, it will lead him to tell you some other stuffs. And that thing might not be what you will come out in your exam. Sometimes all this lecture, it's very funny. That thing that I said, they're not bringing that in the exam. So it's need to say other stuff. You would have even said if they're to be teaching this stuff, normal ground. That's how it works.
Yes, sir.
That question is good, but you need to say something that you wouldn't have said or normally. Sorry, let me be discussed now. Sorry, a minute.
Sir.
Sorry. Good. So that is it. So I believe if you to tweet fundamental, when I touch something that I'm about to say now, it might not. But experience will definitely let you. Questions will help us to try some things out. So good now. Now we see that what card came out yesterday, 2 cards, and then 3 USD. No, so are you there, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What does this red means? From what I taught you, sir. What does this 2 reds? What does this red mean? This negative red. This what does it mean?
I pass.
And
okay.
The result came out negative as red. The result came out. What does the result? What does red mean and what does green mean? And the result. What does it mean?
To go against the fear.
What does red mean? Red means what? Give me the meaning first. The meaning first, not the finish. Yeah?
The percentage that the win percentage, like how strong it is.
Okay, what does this red mean? Once you come out to red, it means what? What do you mean with the word? This red means what?
That negative.
It's weak. That's the word. Right?
Yes, sir.
That pair is what? Yes, weak. Am I talking? That economy at the back of that time is weak. That's what? The output, the employment that we are trying to test, trying to evaluate at that moment, the economists has predicted that it will do what? It will come out, but what it came out negative. That's to say it's weak. So in overall, it's just the what card is what weak. Is that am I talking?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if it came out negative or red, like it's just what we look at, we go back to that pair and say, so this word is weak. Now, good. If this card, now these two, this one is weak, this one is weak. So overall, card for that day, it shows me that is what it's weak generally. So also, but they are both employment changes and unemployment rate shows that it was bad. Am I talking from what the previous month? Don't be
yes,
so.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Well, it was bad from the previous month. Good. That is the intuition. That good. Now, if card, I want to deal with card before I go to USD. Now, if this card now, okay, let me go with that. Let me just think that first. Come back. Now let's go to USD now. USD had what? Why USD unemployment of USD what? It's also weak. Don't be so.
Employment. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 4.1.
So.
Yes, sir. 4.1%.
Sorry. So as I was saying, so it came out that what does this mean? Unemployment rate, yes, this 1.4 red tipen, it means what?
Weak.
That what USD is weak when it comes to what unemployment. Maybe so.
Unemployment. Yes.
However, they also have was non-farm payroll, which is was NFP and NFP employment changes. But what these employment changes came out to be good. What does that imply? What's intuition?
Strong.
Good.
That it's strong.
By NFP they are strong. By unemployment rate they are weak. Good. Now the third one now says averagely hourly earning per month of individuals or anything is now what? Neutral. Maybe so. Hey.
Yes, sir.
Is that what? Neutral. Maybe so.
Yes, sir.
Neutral. So economists forecast that it will be 3.3 and it's equal to this forecast. So that should equal. But what? The previous is what? Is 0.4. I need to say that economists forecast that it will drop to 0.3, which is a good one for them. Which is it is drop to 0.3, and it equals to it. Am I talking?
Yes, sir.
Now, in USD alone, we have 3 decisions. No, so equality,
yes, sir.
strong, and weak. Am I talking? Hey, am I talking? I'm talking a point, and I'm trying to explain something very cogent. Are you following me, sir?
Yes, sir. I can see that. Yes, sir. I can see that, sir.
Yeah. For USD, we have 3 things. Three stuff came out. One shows neutral. The other one shows strong. The other one shows weak. That's 3 things. Good. But for CAD, both of them shows were weak, strongly weak. Am I talking? Are you there, sir?
Yes, I'm following you, sir. I'm following you, sir.
Let me explain it in the next video. It will be long. It will be so long.
Okay.
So long.
Sir.
Let's make it short. While we're doing that, you can subscribe to this channel because you will learn a lot.